Hey y'all, it's me Marty. Welcome to another video. Another video in my series of my backpacking kits. And this one is my coffee kit. And it's not really big, there's not much in here, and this I'm kind of just working on this one right now. I might be adding some stuff, but this is my coffee kit. I love coffee, and I thought, why not have a kit? I like my kits for my backpacks, and why not have a coffee kit? So, show you what's in here. Nothing fancy, there's not a lot in here, but I might be adding or changing it up a little bit. But in my coffee kit, I basically have three things. And again, this would go with my canteen kit. My canteen kit is what I use to boil water and make coffee. This is just the coffee items. So I have a small wood mug here. Now, I don't do wood turning, but my friend Don does, my brother and friend Don. And he made this for me. It's a small, beautiful, small wood mug. And it's a really small one. I'm guessing it's 5 or 6 ounces, so it's a small cup of coffee. But it's just, I love making coffee in the woods. I like making bush coffee on a fire. And then to drink it out of a wood mug, oh, coffee in a wood mug is the best. And this one is just perfect. It's small, it's great for my backpack. I have a big one at home too, I drink at home, but this is my small one for my pack. And I'll just switch this into whatever pack I'm taking. And I love drinking coffee out of this. And it's almost like an espresso mug. And so when I'll make a bush coffee or whatever, I'll get 2 or 3 cups in here, you know, and it's just really enjoyable to drink coffee out of a wood mug. And then I have some coffee, some real coffee. Yes, I'll drink instant or pour overs or the bags or different things like that, but why? If I can have real coffee, I'll have real coffee. So this is real coffee. This is I think it's my Black Rifle dark roast. Dark roast is basically sometimes medium, never light roast. But yeah, so I have that's probably enough for 2 or 3 cups of coffee in there. So I have a mug and coffee, and then I have one of my wood spoons that I carved just for stirring or whatever. That's basically it. That's my coffee kit. You know, a wood mug, my spoon, and coffee. I don't put sugar or cream in my coffee, so that's basically it. And again, I don't have a way of making it in this coffee kit. I have my canteen kit, which that's what I would use to boil the water to make it, and I make it in the canteen cup. And then, yeah, that's my little coffee kit. Anyway, and I'll be fine-tuning that, maybe adding some stuff, but I'm going to keep it pretty small because, again, I have my canteen kit for making the coffee. So, anyway, decided to share that. Yeah. If you like this, please like it and comment down below. I want to see your comments. I love talking back and forth with you guys. It's just wonderful. It's just fun. And yeah, if you like my channel and my videos, I have so many other adventures. Please subscribe and click the bell. And yeah, hope you're enjoying this little series this morning of my backpacking kits that I carry in my backpacks. I just like to have organized kits, and this is kind of fun. And I'm realizing I have a lot of different kits. And this is my coffee kit. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.